Hello everyone, this printer is Canon PIXMA MG3650. I want to show you how to connect this printer with your mobile phone via a wireless network. To add it to your computer, what you need to do is you need to go to Play Store, install Canon Print app. Canon Print app. Install it on your mobile phone, then open the app. This is Canon Print app. Put this aside. The next thing to do is go to the control panel, select stop button once, then select Wi-Fi button, press and hold it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. The power light will highlight. Release the button, press the copy color once, then press the Wi-Fi button again, then release the button and wait. The Wi-Fi light will be highlighting intermittently. What that means is the printer is in a wireless mode. So the next thing to do is we're going to look for this printer on the app. Go to the phone settings, select connections, then select Wi-Fi. It will show you Canon PRINT MG3620 series. Select on it once, then you go back, select on Canon Print app. Tell you please wait. So it's searching for the printer. And they found the network. The following network information is saved. Do you want to use it? Select yes. Communicating with the printer. Then wait for printer name to appear. Then select your printer. So the printer is found, MG3600 series. Select on it. Acquiring printer information. These are optionals. Then select OK. This is the printer. Printer is connected to a wireless network. If you look on the Wi-Fi, the light is steady and you can print documents. Select document print. Then you select documents. Then scroll down and select specific document you want to print out. Select on the document. It's processing. This is 2-page document. Then you select next. Select OK. Then go to the settings. Select the size. The paper size as A4, media type, plain paper, same as original. And also 2-sided printing, long edge. Then go back. Then select print. This is the document we printed out 2-sided. So it will show you printing is completed. Then you select OK. So after you connected this printer to a wireless network from mobile phone, if you want to add it to your computer, go to Laptop Start, then go to Microsoft Store and search Canon Print app. install and download Canon Print app to your laptop, then open the app. So this is Canon Print app. Then select add a printer. Select yes. It's processing. Check power. Check that the printer is turned on, then select next. Searching for the printer. Please wait. Please select connection method. Wi-Fi connection. Then select next. Does your printer have the following button? Then select no. Then select next. Click the manual and follow the instruction in the setup in the guide to prepare the printer for connection. Once the preparation is complete, the printer will be detected. So select the manual. Select on inkjet printer. So select setup. Then look for PIXMA MG series. MG3650. Select on it. It will show you the printer. Then select installing the printer. Select operating system, Windows. So Windows selected. Select download. Then open the file. Select yes. Select start setup. Acquiring information on the latest driver and software. Please wait. Then select region or country. Select next. Licensing agreement. Agree. Yes. Select agree. Please wait. Processing. Please wait. Please allow all install wizard. Select next. Select connection method. Wireless LAN connection. If you want to connect the printer with a USB, then you select USB. So we connected this printer via a wireless network. So wireless LAN connection selected. Click next. Select the wireless LAN method. Wireless via router recommended. Then select next. Check power. Make sure the printer is turned on. Then select next. Printer detection. So it's going to search for the printer on the network. So the printer is found. Then you select on the printer. Then select next. So installing my image garden utility. Installing Creative Pack. Installing MP drivers. Printed alignment recommended. Then you select next. Test print. Select execute. Test print. This printer is now ready for printing. Then you select next. to show you setup complete. Then select next. Then show you software installation required. Then select next. So installing user manual. Installing my printer. Installing my image garden. Installing quick menu. Then user registration. I'm going to skip. Installation completed successfully. Then select exit. Then it will show you getting most out of your printer. And this is the quick menu. So this is how to set this printer up, the full setup guide. If you want to scan document, then you can select and go to start my image garden. If you want to scan document, if you select start my image garden, then once image garden open, then put the document you want to scan, then select scan to scan the document. Thank you very much indeed.